Hello and welcome to my shop. It's George from Chelsea, Quebec. So just today I enjoyed a huge success where my 3D printer pulled me out of a woodworking jam, and I'd like to tell you about it. So I used to think that having a 3D printer was fun and amusing, occasionally useful. I've changed my views. I now think that a 3D printer is essential to every wood shop. And here's one example of why. I needed to bore a hole here close to the edge. It's half an inch away from this edge. And what it's for is to insert a magnet. So it's a 1/4 inch diameter magnet that's going to go in here, and below it there's going to be an adjusting screw. So what I need to do is make a deep 7/64 hole and then a shallow 1/4 inch hole. But there's no way to get a drill in here. Even a hand drill is too far outbound. So I went to the 3D printer and I made this. So this is basically a block. The distance here corresponds to the width that I want this to be like saddled over. And so that works out to be, what was it, 39/64. And I told the printer to do that, and it gave me exactly that. This one has a guide hole 7/64 in diameter, and it slips in there, and it can be held in place with a clamp. And then I can come in with this kind of a drill bit that ends in a hex shaft. And then use one of these things, which doesn't actually have a name, to bore the hole. Now, in fact, before doing that, I would use the 1/4 inch drill bit. Here I made a second saddle. This one has a guide, and basically it's a guide bushing, I guess, with a 1/4 inch drill bit hole. And that can just slip in here, clamped in place, and then I'll hit it with the 1/4 inch drill bit. And I've got pieces of tape here to stop the thing when I get to the right depth. So I don't know of anything else that could have pulled me out of this jam other than the 3D printer. Now, sure, you could fashion this kind of a thing with small blocks of wood, but do you really want to be cutting up small pieces this size on a table saw when you can just design the piece, set it up to the printer, and then walk away? So maybe this has brought you a step closer to getting a 3D printer, maybe not. It doesn't matter. I'm done for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying it through till here. And remember, if you're not the lead dog, the scenery never changes. Was that it? I don't know. Maybe that wasn't it.